guys, welcome to the Alaskan Sisters tent. And today I am going to read to you Bear Snores On by Carmel Wilson and James Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in a deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds gravel, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights sweet twigs with a small hot spark. The calls pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" A hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Oop. And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Could you imagine having a party without you knowing in your house? Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. What's gonna happen? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me? I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Now it's your turn, Rita. Rita, wake up! Rita!
Oh,
It's your turn.
oh, yeah. Okay, so today I'm going to be reading We're Going on a Bear Hunt by Michael Rosen or Helen Oxenbury. It doesn't say. Okay. Excuse me. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, grass. Long wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, a river, a deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. I've waded through rivers before. Splash, 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 splash. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, a forest. A big dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. There we go. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. They're stumbling and tripping on roots and branches. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, a snowstorm. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Itch. Okay. Woo, 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 woo. That's what the sound a snowstorm makes, apparently. gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh, a cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that? Ooh, there we go. One shiny wet nose, two big furry ears, two big goggly eyes. It's a bear!
What? Bear?
Okay. There? You're good. There? You're good, Ruby.
Okay. Good. Okay.
Quick, back through the cave. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm. Snowstorm. Whoo, woo, whoo, woo. Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. Back through the river. Splash, 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 splash. Back through the grass. Swishy, splashy, swishy, swashy.
Whoa. I missed all that? Whoa.
Get to our front door. Open the door. Up the stairs. Oh no, we forgot to shut the door. Back down the stairs. Shut the door. Back upstairs. Into the bedroom. Into bed. Under the covers. That's a lot. Oh, there we go.
They're scared, aren't they?
We're not going on a bear hunt again.
That's for sure.
And that is the end of our story. Thank you for watching today on Alaskan Sisters. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time with more stories. Bye.
Bye.
Now let's sleep.
Oh.